got it here yesterday, and I've got all the parts for it in the truck that I'll bring in here. But when I finish that car out there, I'm going to do this one. I was going to do the 34 Roadster, but this one is so much easier to do. I went to a friend's house, saw it. He was never going to do anything with it, so I bought it. And he had stripped it all the way down to the metal, which has good points and bad points. The good point is there is maybe 3% damage on it and maybe 3% rust. Other than that, this car is solid as a rock. And what it is a 1952 Willys Aero coupe. And really, Willys Aero. What I like about it is the two windshields, which I thought by 52 they'd completely quit doing that. And it's got a big steering wheel, which I like. And then back here in the back, I don't know if the camera will show you or not. It's got 3 back windows on it, which is really neat. And what I plan on doing is leaving it stock the way it is. I'm going to lower it and put some kind of V8 engine in it. And that's where I'm at with this. This will be another, probably in September I'll start on this. Because I hope I'm done with the car out there by then. But the day I finish with that, this is next.
Yeah. This is exciting.
Yes.
Cool. It's the axle, huh?
This is a front axle for a sprint car. It's
a
old style front axle. It's got the spinners on it and 6-pin, that's what that's called. It's got 6, that's a pin there that go into the wheels, and only sprint cars have. It's completely different than a truck 6-lug pattern, so you can't run truck axles on it.
Okay.
And that's a sprint car, and this is, I got a power steering unit the other day, and I got another set of spindles for it. And the spindles are either Ford or International.
And this goes with this car?
No,
oh,
this
okay.
goes
That's separate.
Something else. Yeah, this came a month ago.
Oh, all right. Just getting parts, huh?
Yes, and it was a deal, and the power steering unit for what I paid for it. I'm even with the power steering. I got the axles free.
You know, Rodan looks mean sitting under that car cover.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. It's got that huge slow recharger sitting there. Yeah. That's crazy.
Yeah. Okay. I got this motor with the Willis that I just bought a week or so ago, and this is called an F-head, and they used them in Jeeps as well as the Willys cars. And the neat thing about an F-head, it's got a overhead valves for the exhaust, and then it's got flathead, like a flathead motor for the intake that come from the bottom. This is a 6-cylinder, and there's only 6 valves here, and it's exhaust valves. And the guy that I got it from, Kenny, he had rebuilt it, and I got it. I'm not going to use it in the Willys, but I think it's just a neat motor. And so this is where we're at. Here's the motor with the valve cover on it, and really a little oddball motor.
That'd be nice in a little show car. It's a good looking engine.
If I'd had this motor when I started that car out there, I'd probably put this in it because it's so different.
Yeah.
And I got everything to do it, but I've already got the flat.
Do you have an idea of what horsepower these things would have produced?
90.
90?
90 horse. We looked at it the other day, and 90 give or take, but around 90.
Very cool.
Yeah, and that's quite a lot of horsepower for 1952.
Yeah. Neat.
Okay.
Thanks, Fred.
Okay.